Hi, today in this video, we will be seeing how to find out a given number is a even number or a odd number. For example, if I am taking a number a is equals to 3. So we need to find out whether this number, the number 3 is an even number or odd number. So to find out the given number is an even number or odd number, we are going to use a concept known as an operators. So if we are going to use the condition called if condition, if a percentile by 2 double equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this? So whatever the number that we are taking, a means nothing but 3. So if the given number 3, if it is going with the mod condition with the number 2, and if we are getting the remainder 0, for example, a percentile by 2 double equal to 0 means, do the math calculation. What is a? A is nothing but 3. 3 percentile by 2 double equal to 0. So let's try to solve this first of all. So 2, 3. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. So obviously mod function will take the remainder. Division will take the coefficient, but the mod function will take remainder. So we are getting 1. 1 double equal to 0. So what is the meaning of double equal to? It will check whether left side value and the right side value is same or not. So here left side value and the right side value are not same. So the given number is not a even number. Very simple. So if the condition satisfies, then only we will go inside the if condition and we will print. For example, so let's write here. So the given number is even. The given number is even. So if the number is not satisfied, it goes to the else block. In the else block, I will be writing. So the given number is odd. The number is nothing but odd. So simple. So here two conditions we are writing, if condition and else condition. So if you want to know more about if condition and else condition, so I will be keeping the link in the description for this condition statement concept. You can go through there. So we are taking the number 3. So number 3 is not satisfying this condition. So if the condition is not satisfying, if block will be silent, it goes to the else block. So in the else block, we are writing the given number is odd and we are printing that particular given number. Very simple. So if I execute, so see the given number is an odd number. Let's say for example, same code if I copy, same code if I paste here, if I take here number 4. Suppose if I am taking number 4. Now let's try to solve this issue. So we are writing if condition. So in the if I am writing, as I told, a percentile by 2 double equal to 0. So solve this issue or solve this logic. So 2, what is a? A is nothing but 4. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Mod function will take remainder. So after solving this math, we are getting 0 on the left side, double equal to 0 on the right side. So both are equal. So 4 is satisfying this condition. We will go inside and inside we are going to write the given number is a even number. See, the given number will be an even number. Simple. So using this simple condition, we are going to find out whether the number is a even number or an odd number. Simple logic. So to understand much about operators, to understand much about if condition and else condition, I will be keeping the video link in the description. You can go through there. Thank you.